Hello students, today we are seeing one more essay on the topic Developed India, Developed Railway. I will read out the first two paragraphs. India has made significant progress in developing its railway system, contributing to the nation's overall growth and connectivity. A developed India boasts a well organized and efficient railway network that plays a crucial role in transporting people and goods across the country. One key aspect of a developed railway in India is the extensive network that connects various regions. Trains run regularly, linking cities, towns, and villages, making it easier for people to travel for work, education, or leisure. This improved connectivity fosters a sense of unity among citizens and facilitates the exchange of ideas and cultures. Students, I hope you liked this video on the topic Developed India, Developed Railway. If yes, please hit the like button, subscribe if you are new to the channel. Thank you.